Tech Wits out here with another video, and today we're going to be installing a keylogger and figuring out how to write one with the Python programming language. So, what is a keylogger? So, according to Malwarebytes, a popular antivirus software, a keylogger is an insidious type of spyware that can record and steal consecutive keystrokes and much more that enters on a device. So basically, it's malware that records whatever you type and is sent to a malicious person who can then log into your information, like your banks or whatever they're trying to hack. So today we're going to be writing this type of software with the Python programming language. So we're going to Google, going to install Python, python.org, download the latest version here. I'm not going to because I already have this downloaded. Go through the steps and make sure you have the environment variable checked off when you're going through the steps. Otherwise, you're going to run into some problems. Once you have Python downloaded, you're going to run something like that, python-version, and you'll see the version here. Okay. So, after we install Python, we're going to install Visual Studio Code, which is a popular code editing platform. It's the one we're using here. And once you're all set up with that, what we're going to do is go to your File Explorer, go to your folder for your code, and create a file called Keylogger. I'm just going to delete this one and start over. So, and I'm going to right click this and open with code. It's going to open a whole new window. I don't know why that's still showing there, so I deleted it. But we're going to rename it Keylogger, or whatever you want to name it, .py. The .py means .python, by the way. It's a file extension. Okay. Once we're all set up with that, I think we're all good to go. So then, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to start writing the code for it.